And Rayson, I'm from Manila, Spellbinder. I'm moving up by the rallies not to express, and in between runners is Battle City. Not to express, Battle City, Spellbinder. Randor, further outside Easter Hope, and running in fifth by some 4 lengths is entry number 3, I'm from Manila. Rushing up Coral Beauty, Wow Wow West, Golden Rays, and Nerves of Steel is running at the tail of the field, not to express. Spellbinder, Easter Hope alongside, and Battle City is racing in fourth by Darrell. Is entry number 3, I'm from Manila. Easter Hope by ahead. Spellbinder is running down on the inside, not to express. Battle City, I'm from Manila. Wow Wow West, and nearing the last 450 at Spellbinder, this time by a length and a half. Easter Hope from the outside. Wow Wow West on the farther outside, and nearing the last 250, the outstanding favorite Spellbinder by some 5 lengths now. Easter Hope, Wow Wow West rushing up now to take second. I'm from Manila in between runners and Nerves of Steel, and finally Spellbinder second. Wow Wow West, I'm from Manila, Nerves of Steel, Easter Hope, and for your super sa is number 8, and this one is Coral Beauty.